Okay. First of all, roll number 106, Prabhu Kumar. Are you ready, Prabhu?
Yes, sir.
Then introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, one and all. My name is M. Prabhu Kumar. I am studying for civil engineering, Suba College of Engineering and Technology. I am pursuing my final semester. My ultimate goal is to get a good job. Now my goal is to score a high percentage in the seminar technical vivo. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, Prabhu. Then tell me about your project briefly.
Yes, sir. My project is a green concrete. Now I would explain to green concrete. Concrete is made with green concrete wastes which is are eco-friendly, so called as green concrete. The other name of green concrete is resources saving structures which reduces
Hmm.
environmental impact for easy, energy
Hmm.
saving, carbon dioxide emission, wastewater. Green concrete is a revolutionary topic in the history of concrete industry. This was first invented in Denmark in the year of 1998 by Dr.
Okay.
W.G.
Hmm.
Green concrete means it is responsible less emission of carbon dioxide and cause less harmful to environment. Cement is
Okay.
the main factor which is responsible for more emission of carbon dioxide.
Hmm.
That's why we are reducing the cement by replacing fully or partially with some other particles such as recycled demolition, waste aggregates, and ground granulated blast furnace slag.
Okay.
Materials of using green concrete, recycled demolition waste aggregates, recycled concrete aggregate, blast furnace slag, manufacturing slag, sand, now glass aggregate, fly ash. Benefits of features of green concrete: best performance, no increase in cost, reduces carbon footprint, reduces shrinkage and creep, enhance cohesion, workability and consistency,
Hmm.
durability, better service life of concrete.
Okay.
Engineering benefits to use of environmental benefits to use of green concrete. Lasts longer.
Hmm.
Next, reduces carbon emission, reduces
Okay.
energy consumption, uses of industrial wastages. The
Hmm.
tests that we are going to conduct for the purpose of manufacturing of green concrete are compression strength of concrete, speed tensile strength of concrete,
Hmm.
slump cone test,
Hmm.
acid resistance test.
Okay.
Now, sir, my project is over, sir.
Okay, Prabhu, you have explained about your project in a detailed manner. That's enough for your project. That is a very nice explanation. And then, are you ready for the online session of comprehensive Viva post questions?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then, tell me what subject would you like to prefer for me to ask you?
Environmental engineering, sir.
Environmental engineering.
WD.
Okay, right. Then, my first question to you is, what is the wastewater from different sources like bathrooms, kitchens, and wash basins?
College, sir.
Sewage. Okay, you are right.
Yes, sir.
Then my second question to you is, what is the system to collect night soil, garbage, etc. in separate vessels or deposited in pools and pits?
Conservancy system, sir.
Conservancy system. Okay, you're right again. In urban cities like Bangalore, which of the water carrier system is used, Prabhu?
Separate system, sir.
Separate system. Can you explain briefly about separate system?
In urban cities, more large and more population.
Hmm.
That's why we are give room water and different
Hmm.
waves, sir.
Okay,
That's why
good.
we are using.
Separate system. Since
Yes, sir.
we have to promote more means of hygiene and health for the vast population, we are using separate
Yes,
system. Okay,
okay.
we have answered all the three questions. And next, my question to you is, what is the means of promoting hygiene through the prevention of human contact with the hazard of wastes, especially feces?
Sir, question I don't know.
What is the means of promoting hygiene through the prevention of human contact with the hazard of wastes, especially through the feces?
Sanitation, sir.
Sanitation. Okay, you're right.
Yes, yes, sir.
Then my fifth question to you is, what is the body of permeable rock which can contain or transmit groundwater?
Canal, sir.
Canal. Okay, you're right. Sixth question to you is, what is the wastewater flow in a sewer system during the periods of dry weather with minimum infiltration?
Dry weather flow, sir.
No, not dry weather flow. What is the wastewater flow in sewer system during the periods of dry weather with a minimum infiltration, Prabhu?
Minimum infiltration, sir.
Hmm.
Right.
What is the answer you said no?
Okay.
What is the answer, Prabhu? What is the wastewater flow in sewer system during the periods of dry weather with
Hello.
minimum infiltration? Can you hear my voice? Okay, 1 minute. My internet connection is unsuitable. 1 minute. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then my sixth question I have asked you is what is the wastewater flow in a sewer system during the periods of dry weather flow?
Yes, sir.
What is your
Dry
answer for
weather
that?
flow, sir.
It is not a dry
Dry
weather
weather flow.
flow, Prabhu. It is wet weather flow. It
Okay.
is wet weather flow. Okay. Then my seventh question to you is the dry weather flow is also called as a sanitary sewage. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
Okay, true. Then my eighth question to you is which common unit is used to express the rate of water supply in a city or town?
Liter per capita per day, sir.
Liter per capita per day. Okay. Then my ninth question to you is the quantity of sanitary sewage directly depends on what parameter?
Population, sir.
Population. Okay. What is the maximum velocity of tap water such that the flow causes low noise?
0.57 to 0.5 to 0.7 meter per second, sir.
0.5 to 0.7 meter per second.
0.7.
Okay, Prabhu, you have introduced yourself in a quite well manner, and you have told about your project, explained it very nicely, and you have answered the questions I have asked you. Okay, thank you for attending this session, and it is up to you. You can leave now, or you can wait for others also. It is up to you. It is your wish, as you want.
Okay.
Okay, then next roll number. Are you ready? That means 108 Srikant.
Ready, sir?
Okay, Prabhu, you can mute your voice. Okay. Then Srikant, would you introduce yourself?
Sir,
Introduce yourself, Srikant.
okay, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name
Hmm.
is Srikanth, and I
Hmm.
am studying in Kyoba College, pursuing final year BTech in second semester. So
Hmm.
my ultimate goal is become a good civil engineer, and temporary goal is to give my best in this session and to achieve highest rank.
Okay. Then can you explain about your project briefly, Srikant?
Okay, sir. Our
Explain.
project is
Okay.
green means which is responsible for the least emission of carbon dioxide and
Okay.
causes less harm to the environment.
Hmm.
Cement is main factor which is responsible for more emission of carbon dioxide.
Hmm.
That's why we are reducing the
Hmm.
usage of cement
Hmm.
by replacing particles sometimes fully
Okay.
with some other particles, ground granulated blast furnace slag, and
Hmm.
recycled decomposition waste aggregates,
Hmm.
and also fly ash some cases depends upon the necessity.
Hmm.
The tests that we are the test that we are conducted for the purpose of manufacturing of green concrete are
Hmm.
are compressive strength of concrete and splitting tensile strength of concrete, slump
Hmm.
cone test,
Hmm.
and also acid resistant test. After
Okay.
conducting all these tests, we have notified that the concrete not only stabilized but also it is very less harmful to the
Hmm.
environment. That
Okay.
means it's very meaningful to the
Okay.
environment. It's less
Okay.
harmful, more convenient to the environment. It
Okay.
proce- producing less amount of carbon dioxide into the
Hmm.
environment. So
Hmm.
that's all. project is depending upon green concrete. So
Okay.
these are the tests in this project. This is the brief introduction of the green concrete, sir.
Okay. Then what is the subject would you prefer, Srikant, for me to ask you?
Sir,
What is the subject that I should ask you now?
engineering geology, sir.
Engineering geology is your preferable subject. Okay. Then my first
Yes, sir.
question to you is what is the depth up to which the mantle exists?
2,900 kilometers, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then my next question to you is the exact nature of mantle is completely understood. Is it true or false?
False, sir.
False. Okay.
Yeah.
Then
False,
my
sir.
third
The
question to
Tata
you is who
reference.
was the first person to tell about the core?
R.D. Autumn, sir. All them.
R.T. Oldham. Okay. My fourth question to you is what kind of body is inner core?
It is believed to the solid body, sir.
Solid
To
body.
be, it is believed
Okay.
to be.
Okay, you are right again. Then my next question to you is which layer supports the slow moving tectonic plates?
Asthenosphere, sir.
Asthenosphere. Okay. Can you
Asthenosphere.
explain briefly about asthenosphere?
The asthenosphere is believed to be located entirely in the upper
Hmm.
mantle and
Hmm.
supports the slow
Hmm.
tectonic plate.
Okay, you
Slow
are right.
moving tectonic.
Okay, Srikant. Then my next question to you is what is the change in volume when water freezes?
10% increase, sir.
10% increase is the change in volume. Okay. Then my seventh question to you is what is the rock mineral that is insoluble in water?
Pyrite, sir.
Hmm. Pyrite. Then my eighth question to you is what is reduction?
Reduction, removal of oxygen, sir.
Removal of oxygen. And what are the
Oxygen.
other definitions for reduction? Can you explain?
Oxidation means
Hmm.
of either removal of electrons or
Hmm.
hydrogen
Hmm.
or addition of oxygen,
Hmm.
but reduction may involve removal of oxygen
Hmm.
or addition of oxygen or
Hmm.
electrons, sir.
Okay, all right. Then my ninth question to you is what is the removal of particles of dust and sand by strong winds called?
Deflation.
Deflation. Okay, Srikant. Then my last question to you is the transporting power of wind depends upon the shape of the particle. Is it true or false?
True, sir.
So, okay, you have answered all the questions. Well done, Srikant. You have explained about your project. You have introduced yourself in a nice manner, and you have answered all the questions. Okay, well done once again. Thank you for attending this session. And now you can
Thank you, sir.
mute your voice. Then my next roll
Okay.
number is 110, 16K 110. Asgar, are you available?
Thank you. Hello.
Okay, Asgar, introduce yourself.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Sheikh Asgar. I am studying in fourth semester at Cuba College of Engineering and Technology.
Hmm.
My long-term goal is to achieve good results for engineering.
Hmm.
My project work is green concrete.
Hmm.
So, what is the green concrete? So, green concrete is
Hmm.
different as concrete, which
Hmm.
uses waste material has at least one of its components.
Hmm.
Materials of uses in the green concrete: fly ash,
Hmm.
manufacturing sand, blast furnace slag,
Hmm.
recycled waste aggregate,
Hmm.
recycled concrete aggregate, glass
Hmm.
aggregate.
Okay.
Why green concrete used?
Hmm.
Green concrete capable for sustainable development is characterized by the application of the industrial wastages to reduce consumption of the uh, natural resources and energy and pollution of the environment.
Hmm.
Marble sedge flour can be used on as a pillar and helps to reduce the total walls contained in the concrete.
Okay, Asghar,
The
that is
main goal
enough
of
for
the
now. Let's go into the
yes, sir.
question session. What
Okay,
is
sir.
the subject that you would like to prefer for me to ask you? What is the subject?
Transport engineering, sir.
Transportation engineering. So let me ask you
Yes, sir.
questions related to transportation engineering. My first question to you is,
Okay.
tell me about one feature of Roman roads.
What, sir?
Tell me about one feature of Roman roads.
Roman roads, sir. They were strong, sir.
Hmm. There are,
They were strong.
they were strong. Okay. Can you explain how strong they were?
The Roman builds roads by exploiting till hard, etc. They were
Hmm.
much stronger than required for animal crops that time.
Hmm. 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 Okay. Then my next question to you is, in which year did IRC, Indian Roads Congress, form?
1934, sir.
1934, you are absolutely right. Then my third question to you is, the east-west corridor of National Highway connects to which city?
Porbandar Silchar.
Porbandar to Silchar is the
Silchar.
connection for east-west corridor.
Sir.
Okay. Then my
Yes,
fourth
sir.
question to you is, what is the basic requirement of an alignment?
Short, easy, safe, and economical.
Short, easy, safe, and economical. Okay, all right, I guess. Then my fifth question to you is, what is the stability of slope is considered while designing which structure? The stability of slope is considered while designing which structure?
Hill road, sir.
Hill roads. Okay, you're absolutely right. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
While designing hill roads, we are considering the stability of slope. That is the answer. Okay.
Hill roads.
Then my sixth question to you is, the resisting length should be kept minimum or maximum?
Minimum, sir.
Minimum. Okay, you're right again. Then my seventh question to you is, the design of horizontal and vertical alignment super elevation gradient is worst affected through what
Speed
link?
of vehicles. Speed of
Through
vehicles, sir.
okay, speed of the vehicle. Okay, you're right again. Why speed
Yes,
of
sir.
vehicle? Can you explain?
All geometric design features are worst affected by the velocity of the
Hmm.
vehicle
Yes.
only.
All geometric design features are worst affected by speed of the vehicle. You're right again.
Vehicle
Then
only.
my eighth question to you is, what is the most important
Sir.
factor that is required for road geometrics? Oscar?
Speed of vehicles, sir.
Speed of vehicle. Then my next
Sir.
question to you is, in India, what type of traffic is assumed to design pavement?
Mixed traffic flow, sir.
Mixed traffic flow is preferred.
Sir.
Okay. Then my
Yes, sir.
last question to you is, the braking efficiency. The braking efficiency mainly depends upon what factor?
Friction, sir.
Friction. Okay. We have answered all the
Sir.
questions and you have explained about your project and you have introduced yourself in a nice manner. Thank you for attending,
Thank
and
you,
you
sir.
can mute your voice. Your session is over.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Then, okay, Faizan, 111, 16K 111.
Yes, sir.
Faizan,
Yes, sir.
are you ready,
Yes, sir.
Faizan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then introduce yourself.
Sir, my name is Sheikh Faizan from Civil Engineering.
Hmm.
I'm studying Civil Engineering final year in our reputed
Hmm.
Cuba College of Engineering and Technology, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, my permanent goal is to get a good job in civil engineering
Hmm.
after my completion of graduation.
Hmm.
Sir,
Okay.
my temporary goal is to achieve good get marks in Viva, sir.
Hmm. Okay.
In project work also, sir.
Okay. Then, can you explain your project briefly, Faizan?
Sir, our project is plastic fiber reinforced concrete in soil, sir.
Plastic fiber reinforced soil. Okay. Not
Yes, sir.
concrete, only soil.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then go ahead.
Sir, in this project, we have investigated to the use
Hmm.
of waste materials in
Hmm.
geotechnical applications.
Hmm.
In this, sir, and evaluated the effects of waste polypropyl fiber, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, our projects we have done experiments in our project is the experiment names are
Hmm.
sieve analysis, Sutterberg limits, specific gravity,
Okay.
compaction test,
Okay.
uh, um, California bearing test, and direct shear test, sir.
California bearing ratio test. Okay. Okay,
Sorry,
that
sir.
is
Sorry,
enough.
sir.
That is enough explanation for your project. Now let's go to the question session. What is the subject that you would like to prefer for me to ask you, Faizan?
Sir, I'm choosing surveying, sir.
Surveying. Okay. Then let me ask you the questions related to surveying. My first question to you is: what is the process of determining the relative position of points on above or beneath the Earth's surface? What is the process?
Sir, surveying, sir.
Surveying. Okay, you're exactly right. Then my next question to you is: in which what type of survey shape of Earth is considered?
So geodetic surveying, sir.
Geodetic surveying. Then my third question to you is: what is the process of representing large scale on the surface of the Earth?
Plan, sir.
Okay. Then my fourth question to you is: one type of surveying in which instrument is used? What is that survey?
Traverse
One of
surveying,
those.
sir.
Okay, okay. Traverse surveying is one of the surveying types of surveying in which instrument is used. In which instrument is not used? What survey?
Sir, topographic surveying.
Okay, in topographic surveying, we are not using any kind of instruments. Then my sixth question to you is: what is the process of establishing or fixing the intermediate points?
Ranging, sir.
Ranging. Okay. Then my seventh question to you is: what is the difference between two measured values of same quantity?
Discrepancy, sir.
Discrepancy.
Discrepancy. Yes, sir.
Discrepancy is the difference between two measured values. Okay, you're right. My ninth question to you is: what is the first principle of surveying?
Sir,
What is the first principle
whole
of
to part, sir.
surveying?
Whole to part.
Working from whole to part. Okay,
Whole to
you're right.
part.
Okay, so Faizan, you're right again. Then my last question I want to ask is: imagine your mind. If there is a symbol like it is a reverse T, what is that symbol in surveying used for? Temple, mosque, church, or grave?
Grave, sir.
Grave. Grave is the symbol. It looks like reverse T. Okay. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Faizan, you have answered all the questions. You have introduced yourself and you have explained about your project. Now you can mute your voice or you can leave meeting also. It is
Thank you.
your wish. It is up to you. Okay. Can
Sir,
I
I
call?
hope I.
You have answered all the questions, Faizan. You
Hello?
can leave or you can mute your voice. Next roll number is
Yes, sir.
16K114. Rasul, is he present?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rasul. Then introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Sheikh Rasul. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hmm.
Myself, Sheikh Rasul. I am studying Cuba College of Engineering and Technology. I am pursuing final year BTech in second semester in civil engineering.
Hmm.
My ultimate goal is to achieve a job in railway department in civil engineering sector, and my
Okay.
temporary goal is to give best in this section and achieve high marks in this semester.
Okay. Okay, Rasul, can you explain about your project briefly?
Sir, our project is fiber reinforced, sir, waste plastic fiber reinforced soil, sir.
Okay.
In this project, we investigate waste plastic fiber materials uses and its geotechnical applications, and
Hmm.
alternate ultimate evaluate the effects of polypropylene fibers. And we done a maximum. We take in this project we take waste plastic fiber
Hmm.
bottles and cut into the small pieces,
Hmm.
and we used in this experiment.
Okay.
In the we done a maximum soil experiments in this project.
Okay. Hmm.
Some of the mainly we done sieve analysis and other bug limits and CBR test and CBR test and direct shear test and unconfined compressive test and etc. We will done maximum projects. In this project, we mainly observe the shear stress, direct shear stress and axial shear stresses are improved in this project mainly. And in this we when we added this fibers to the weak soil, that means black cotton soil, the shear values are increasing when we increasing the fiber waste plastic fibers
Okay, Rasul, that is enough
simultaneously,
explanation
sir.
about your project. Let's start the question session. What is the favorite subject that you would like to prefer for me to ask you?
Strength of materials, sir.
Okay, then my first question in the strength of materials is, what is the dimension of strain?
Strain is dimensionless, sir.
Can you explain why it is dimensionless?
Sir, strain is the ratio of change in dimension to the original dimension, sir.
Okay.
So the dimension strain has no dimensions, sir.
What is the lateral strain? Definition.
Sir, lateral tire means the strain is right angle to the direction of load
Hmm.
applied, sir.
Okay.
It is accompanied to the longitudinal strain, sir.
Okay, Rasul. Third question to you is, what is the SI unit of force?
Newtons, sir.
Newtons. Okay. What is the property where a body returns to its original shape after removal of force?
Sir, elasticity, sir.
Elasticity is the
It
property.
is elastic
Okay.
nature, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell another name for elasticity law, Rasul?
Sir, Hooke's law is also called as elasticity law, sir.
Elasticity law. Okay, you are right again.
Yes.
My sixth question to you is, if the materials have some same properties in all directions, what are those materials?
Sir, isotropic materials, sir.
Okay, if the same properties lie in every point, then what are those materials?
Sir, those materials are called homogeneous materials.
Homogeneous materials.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the definition of creep, Rasul?
Sir, creep, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the gradually increasing strain, gradually increasing the plastic strain with the time at the constant load, sir.
Okay. My ninth question to you is, what is the phenomenon of slow growth under a steady tensile stress?
Study, sir.
What is the phenomenon of slow growth under a steady tensile stress?
The phenomena of slow growth is creeping, sir.
Creeping. Okay, you are right again.
Creeping is the phenomena of the slow growing strength.
Okay. Then my 10th question to you is, what is the point through whole weight of body acts?
Sir, center of gravity, sir.
Center of gravity is the point
Yes, sir.
at which
Center of
whole
gravity
weight of the
point,
body acts.
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Rasul, you have introduced about yourself, you have explained about your project, and now you can mute yourself. You can leave meeting also. It is up to you.
Thank you for the giving opportunities.
Okay, Rasul.